What's up, guys? I'm Boxing11 32195 Roblox Master. Today, we're going to be unboxing a new box I ordered a couple days ago off of eBay. Now, eBay is a great website, and that's why it's the sponsor for this video. Now, eBay, you can pay $15 for an item, and then $40 for shipping. eBay. Let's go check if it's in the mail. Oh yes, guys, it finally came. Oh yes, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. How did this guy even fit the package in? Oh my gosh. Get out that. Get up. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. It came. Now it's time to unbox it, bros. It's time. But before we unbox this box full of box stuff that you don't know, but I know what's inside of here because I'm more superior than you. But before we unbox this, please hit the subscribe button and make sure to smash that like button. And let's get on into the video. Now, once more, before we start, I'd just like to thank our quick sponsor right now, Chewie from Star Wars. Now it's time to unbox. Oh, wait, I forgot to mention, if you noticed right here, if you just take a gander right here, you'll see it says Made in China. And you guys know how I feel about Made in China things. But enough about Made in China things. Now it's time to unbox the box. And before we unbox the box we're about to unbox, I just like to take a quick mention at right here where it says cat scratching post. This is definitely not a cat scratching post. It just says that because of marketing. You know how much I hate this stupid marketing team. Whoa, my voice got really 9-year-old right there. Anyway, time to unbox this box. One last thing, guys. Sorry, I keep forgetting. But you see these little numbers right here in letters. These are just a code that the postmans used to actually post women, feminists. The post women use to notify themselves if there's a breach attack at the Saudi Arabia beef factory. So now you know. Yes, you can't harm anybody no more. Bye-bye to you. Now, it's time to unbox this box. Oh, I just remembered something I forgot to mention. I have another sponsor. You see, the Dollar Shave Club is a really good club because you can shave your dollars off of it. So, I mean, if you're really rich like me, you could shave your dollars off of it. Also, I'm the sponsor for every single freaking video out there. Anyway, Dollar Shave Club delivers right to your door and free shipping and free returns in the first 30 days if you're not satisfied. I know I am. I'm not. Want to see something satisfying? That wasn't that satisfying, actually. Now it's time to see what's inside. Uh-oh, I think it's the new... It's the new iPhone XRS, known for its precision camera. I mean, look at this camera. I mean, it takes up the whole iPhone. Look, you just wind this up, and then look through the lens thing, ding. I can't see anything no more, but you can hear the click. Listen. This iPhone XRS will replace my old iPhone XR plus 2 divided by 3 that TechRax reviewed. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tune in next week when I unbox some Peeps, but you can never guess what flavor.